There are new details in a federal investigation into fraud in multiple state programs.
And today, authorities revealed new charges, new programs being investigated, a guilty plea, and another staggering number. $18 billion under investigation.
So our crews have been tracking every detail of this. We start our team coverage with Eric Shalou. He is live at the federal courthouse, Eric.
Yeah, Paul and Leah, I've got some of the indictments that were unsealed today here at the federal courthouse against several defendants charged with high dollar amounts of fraud. We also learned more today about the federal investigation into fraud. It's a much bigger price tag than we first heard, as prosecutors say it could possibly be into the billions.
The magnitude of the fraud in Minnesota cannot be overstated. Is staggering amounts of money that have been lost.
Federal prosecutor Joe Thompson says since 2018, 18 billion federal tax dollars have been paid to Medicaid safety net providers in Minnesota. Thompson was asked how much could have been obtained by fraudulent means.
I don't make these generalizations in a hasty way, so when I say a significant amount, I'm talking on the order of half or more. But we'll see. When I look at the claims data and the providers, I see more red flags than I see legitimate providers.
Could you talk about how much you have charged in court connected to fraud you've uncovered? What's the dollar amount of that?
So you do the math, $250 million plus $50 million plus $25 million. That's well into the $300 millions just in the federal child nutrition program fraud scheme.
Thompson brought up other fraud that has been charged in the Housing Stabilization Services Program and autism providers, totaling more than $30 million, as other fraud investigations continue. Meanwhile, at the federal courthouse in Minneapolis on Thursday, prosecutors charged at least 5 providers involved in alleged fraud with HSS and an autism program. Recently, the U.S. Treasury Secretary posted on social media that Minnesota taxpayer money may have gone to terror groups overseas. Thompson was asked if any defendants charged have sent money to terror groups.
There's no indication that defendants were sending money to terrorist organizations or were supporting terrorist organizations in that way.
We also learned today that federal prosecutors are looking into the ICS program. That is a special program that helps adults in Minnesota with special needs with their daily care. Now, prosecutors didn't share the full scope of that investigation, but we do know at least one search warrant was served at an ICS provider in the South Metro. We'll, of course, stay on top of all of this for you. Live tonight here at the federal courthouse in downtown Minneapolis, I'm Eric Shalou, 5 Eyewitness News.